receive your priority pass membership as a benefit associated with your credit card issuer, and they privately manage your membership account. We do not have. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another very important video on the latest changes with respect to your priority pass. This priority pass which you are seeing is issued by HDFC Regalia Gold, and I've been using priority pass in general from the last 8 years. So I'm going to talk about all those latest changes and important update, and mainly I'll answer the most frequently asked questions in my previous videos. As usual, before I get started, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regular viewers to my channel are non-subscribers, guys. So I highly recommend you to hit the subscribe button. And I want to add one more line without wasting any of your time is, a student is only judged based on his marks, however intelligent he is. You also know that. And a YouTuber, no matter how good he is only judged, and you also get the silver plate or gold plate button based on the subscriber count. So I highly recommend you, and I request you to hit the subscribe button. So first of all, let me address what were the frequently asked questions in my previous HDFC Bank or Priority Pass videos. So first question on any of my Priority Pass videos was, does this card or priority pass need to be activated? No guys, your priority pass need not be activated. It comes directly with your credit card, and its validity is same as your credit card, because this priority pass is attached to your credit card. For example, I got this priority pass because of my HDFC Regalia Gold credit card. When I purchased Regalia Gold credit card, this priority pass came with that Regalia Gold. So when for example my Regalia Gold card expires on November 2030, this card will also expire on November 2030. Simple as that. And the second most frequent question is, does this card have CVV? I'll just put it to your screen. You cannot see any CVV, right? This card does not have any CVV. Here, this card has priority pass, the card number, and then your name and the expiry date. That's it, guys. It has got nothing. And this card, like I said, there is no chip on this card as well. Like you can see, there is no chip anywhere in this card, and this card is only mainly used for swiping and not for inserting. So if you take this to several different airports, I've used this card in almost 8 to 10 international airports, and wherever I've gone, they've just swiped this card, a slip will come out, you'll have to sign it, and that's pretty much it, guys. And the third most frequently asked question is, what is the way to find out how much balance you have in your HDFC priority pass or whatever bank's priority pass? So I want to take your time a bit in this for this question, because when I called HDFC Bank, the customer care has been really pathetic and the relationship management has been really worst, guys. I've been HDFC Bank customer from the last almost 10 years now, and it was not like this. The customer service was very good. They used to call me every week, ask if I had any issues, if I need anything. That is totally disappeared from the last 2 to 3 years. And I called HDFC Bank and asked them how to find out the balance of this priority pass. So they said, sir, kindly email this particular email ID that I'm going to show you on my screen. They will come back to you with the balance of your priority pass. So as you can see on my screen, I actually ended up emailing, guys. So look at the response. Hi Nagarjun, thank you for getting in touch. You receive your priority pass membership as a benefit associated with your credit card issuer, and they privately manage your membership account. We do not have access to your individual account details. Regarding your fee structure, visit entitlements, benefits, charge inquiries, billing related, replacement card, membership renewal and enrollment, simply call your bank. The number can be found at the back of your card, which is general customer care service number. For any other help, simply call your card issuer. Will be happy to help. The message is very clear, guys, because they clearly told, you will have to contact the bank, and the bank's number is mentioned. I called up the bank again. They said we cannot find out. Now I forwarded them the email and started a mail train with HDFC Bank. They did not help me. It's been almost like more than 1 year, I think. I asked them, I want to find out the balance of this priority pass. Still, I have not got any response, guys. So if you have got response from HDFC Bank regarding the balance of your priority pass, kindly comment in the comment section. I'll also try to get help from you and contact your own relationship manager to find the priority pass balance. Now, another myth I'll be showing you is, you can find priority pass balance in the app. Now, I will show you the app, guys. So this is the priority pass app. As you can see, this is the priority pass app. Installed the priority pass app. I'm going to go to the home screen. Yeah, you can see here, this is the Priority Pass app. I've just logged in on my mobile. And first of all, this app will help you if you type Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, it will show you which lounges you can access. I've clicked on domestic A. So these are the lounges you can access. You can simply download this app from Apple Store or Play Store for Android, and you will be able to configure by entering your Priority Pass number. You can find out. And there is no option in this app for you to find out how many Priority Pass balance that you have. So that is another myth that is being given by HDFC Bank. Initially when you call them, they're going to say, sir, you can install the app and check it in the app, but it is not there in the app. Even if you go to the website, it is not there in the Priority Pass website as well. So if you know from HDFC Bank, if someone has already done this, kindly comment in the comment section so we can discuss internally through Instagram and find out my card's Priority Pass balance as well. And coming to the next important update, how can we know which airports has Priority Pass access to? So like I showed you, just install the app, in the search bar hit the country or the city you're visiting. For example, Bangkok, Dubai, Istanbul, New York. Recently I used this card in Finland or Iceland. You can type whichever country you want, you will get the information here in the app. So it is very simple. You can carry this with you. You can ask them. And one more important tip I want to give you is, when I use this in Dubai Airport, when you give the card to them, they can tell you by checking in the machine how many balances you have. So few machines are capable of doing that. Few machines are not capable of doing that. When I was going to Europe via Dubai, I was able to know my balance in Dubai. But when I checked the same balance in Iceland, I was not able to see the balance. And this card is not supported in all countries. It is restricted in some countries. I went to Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan very recently, and they do not support any Priority Pass. But if you see places like Nepal, they do accept. And in case if the Priority Pass is not accepted, if you check on the app, for a few shops or a few restaurants, they give you 10 to 20% discount if you show your Priority Pass. It's not completely free, but they will show you, they'll give you, surely assist you with 10 to 20% depending upon what is given in the app. And the next important question that I get frequently is, can I use this in India? No guys, at least from the Priority Pass that is being issued with the Regalia and Regalia Gold credit cards, you cannot use this in India. If you use this in India, they will accept, but you will get a bill of $50 or $25 plus GST to your credit card bank statement after 3 months. So immediately you might not get it. You might feel okay, it's very good, but the billing happens every 3 months, and you will get the bill of $50 plus GST after 3 months. So if you are in doubt, call the bank. If you have a very good relationship manager, call them and find out whether this particular card which you have is actually whatever we discussed about is actually accepted in India or not. So please be sure to check that. And these were the most common questions, guys, on where is the lounge, which lounge is accepted, or how many lounge balances does it need to be activated. These were the questions. And if you're now coming to the HDFC Bank dedicated customers, if you've got this Priority Pass from HDFC Regalia or HDFC Regalia Gold, either ways, there is no spend criteria to use Priority Pass. There is spend criteria in HDFC Regalia for credit card lounges in India. But for Priority Pass in HDFC Regalia Gold, there is no such kind of requirement, guys. If you have Regalia and you have Priority Pass, you can lose 6 international lounges per year. And if you have Regalia Gold, you need not worry at all, because for Regalia Gold, it is anyways no spend criteria for domestic or international, and I can swipe this Priority Pass 6 times outside India. And I made the total use of this Priority Pass last time when I went to my Europe trip, it was paisa vasool, guys. I was able to use this card almost everywhere, and I completed my quota of 6. And again, if you swipe for the 7th time, you will definitely be charged, and that they will not tell you. You will get the statement after 3 months. And the most important question, all very important questions, but the most frequently asked question or the important question was, can 2 people go in the Priority Pass? No, it is 1 card per person. So if you're a family of 4, you need 4 cards. If you're husband and wife, you need 2 cards. Simple, guys. So you cannot take 2-3 people with the same card. There has been instances where if you go to foreign countries, they've accepted swiping it twice, but that is not recommended, because if you swipe this card 2 times at the same time, then it is a duplicate, and they will understand you've used this for someone else, and you will be charged $25 or $50 plus GST depending upon what the lounge bills you. So be very, very careful, and always get an email from HDFC Bank relationship manager. So when you talk to the relationship manager or you talk to the bank, get the email confirmation saying that this particular priority pass is having free airport lounge access in international terminals for 2 people with the same card. You have to get the mail confirmation. If you get the mail confirmation from the official HDFC email ID from an employee, you don't have to worry. You can still go ahead and swipe twice. Even if you are charged, you have the email proof you can show and get your money back. So that's what I would recommend. My recommendation is to save your own money, save your own hard-earned money, guys. Simple as that. Don't waste your money. Collect the rules properly and contact your bank and get everything black and white in email. Nothing is trustable on phone call or recording. It is not valid, guys. So always have the data in the email. So this is pretty much it, guys. I didn't want to make this video too lengthy. So if you have any more questions, you can comment in the comment section. I'll surely respond to it. If you want to connect with me personally, you can follow me and then ping me on Instagram. We can connect. I hope this video was very, very informative and helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video.